So what? Are we supposed to just let him bottle it up again? We just have to be patient with him. Patient? Garnet, it's been a week and he still refuses to talk about it. Guys, and that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. The comics belong to my friend of mine. I'll put down in the description below and you can guys could check it out. And this person is amazing and kind and she's the best. I'll put down in the description below, and she's in Tumblr, and you will like it. Her works are so amazing. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And yeah, it will make me so happy, and it will make me boost my confidence to make more videos. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. This comics doesn't belong to me. In this video, all I ever did was just editing and the sound effects and of course the comic dub. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Bye.